Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we generate image to ChatGPT to Flutter, and now we add package ChatGPT API, open pub/spec.yaml and add this package. Now we update default project. Remove them, write debug show checked mode banner false, and we remove floating action button, remove this information, and we add variables, write final, write text editing controller, write message, then we write list, image list, write list images, then we write string, write response text, then we write dispose, write message, dispose, save. Now we add a bar, save. Then we update body, remove widget center, write children, add result images, and add draw triangle, save, add result images, to column, add context, add list images, then we add input, add message, then we write value, set state, then we write value, write set state, and we add generate images, write future list image list, write generate images, write async, write string, from pt, then we write final, chat GPT, write ChatGPT dot builder token, and we add API key. Then we write images, write images, write await ChatGPT dot generate image, write request, write image, request, add prompt pt, write return images, data, then we write list images, async, await, generate images, write value, save. Now we test our works. Write wolf, then we can write natural, and we can write world. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you on the next lesson. Bye.